Welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes here on More with E Mondays. It's your girl E. Sorry, I know y'all missed me last Monday, but I had some technical difficulties. But it's okay. Today's a new day, it's a new week, and I'm definitely gonna be making it up with y'all with a fantastic recipe, a shrimp po' boy. Now, if you're a fan of seafood like I am and didn't think you can enjoy this as a vegan, don't worry, I got you. This recipe will definitely have you wanting more. So let's not even wait any longer. Let's get to it. Now to start off, we will be making the dry batter, which consists of onion powder, Himalayan salt, paprika, chili powder, and salt-free seasoning. All of these I use 1 tablespoon, but you can season more to your liking. 2 cups of garbanzo bean flour, also known as chickpea flour. Now, for the wet batter, you will need 1 tablespoon of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and 2 tablespoons of spring water. Now, this is what you're gonna be using for the shrimp, and this is called konjac root. It has a similar taste and texture to shrimp. I purchased mine from Lucky Mouth Grocery here in Dallas, Texas, but any Asian markets in your area should carry them. Next, we will take the konjac root and dip it thoroughly in our wet batter. Now make sure it's covered on both sides. Then, place the wet konjac root inside the dry batter. Place inside a Ziploc bag and shake until well coated. Next, place the battered konjac root inside the frying pan. And make sure you cook on both sides until it's golden brown. Now, what do you know? Looks just like shrimp, and it's vegan shrimp. And it looks as good as it tastes. Don't forget to add your onions, your lettuce, tomatoes, and jalapenos. And we dang for sure cannot forget about that hot sauce, y'all. I promise you it's so good. But don't take my word for it. I just want you to take this recipe and try it for yourself. I promise you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page, More with E. So next week, you can catch another episode here on Vegan Vibes. More with E Mondays. It's your girl E. I'm out.